Thank you for the introduction. We are in January 2022 now. This is the third year of this COVID crisis. I would say that in the last few weeks or even months, we have seen a failure of public policies based on strict measures. We have seen it not just in Europe, but all over the world. As well, in the last few days and weeks, we also had a few statements by WHO, EMA, CEO of Pfizer that are really a game changer. CEO of Pfizer claiming that their vaccines prove limited, if any, protection for Omicron. Statement by the WHO that this crisis cannot be solved or shouldn't be solved by boosters, and that they want and suggest that a super effective vaccine that could solve everything in one blow should be invented. That's basically what they were saying and promised 2 years ago. And some statements that COVID should be considered a common flu in the following months. So, altogether with dramatic situation in Italy, in France, and with all the protests around Europe, protests in Belgium, in Germany, in France, in Netherlands, in Luxembourg, and all around Europe, I would like to use this opportunity, since it's happening today, to emphasize an event that's happening in Croatia today. Croatian doctors are protesting Croatian health system today because the health system and the ministry is not allowing them to treat their patients. Clearly, the governments of Europe, especially the ones based on strict measures, don't have the solution for this crisis. There are people who have solution for this crisis. There is a growing network of doctors all around the world and in Europe who have their treating protocols as well. So why are they being denied? They shouldn't be denied. We need all the good solutions, and these people should not be censored. So we have a protest in Croatia about that today as well. I would like to use this opportunity as well to call all the protesters of Europe, especially, as I said, from Germany, from highly populated area of Ruhr, which is not far from Brussels, from the Netherlands, their capital of Amsterdam, Rotterdam, and others. The protesters in Luxembourg, the protesters all around Belgium and France, to come to Brussels on the 23rd of January. This is the heart of the European Union. This is where this policy was invented. This is where digital green certificate was invented. This is where discrimination and segregation started. This is where the censorship of science and medicine is supported, unfortunately, and this is where this has to end. So I'm calling on all of you to come to Brussels on the 23rd of January. Let's send a clear message. Enough of false policies, enough of bad solutions, enough of censorship, enough of discrimination. It is time for scientists to speak, to doctors to speak. It's time for an open debate and good solutions and respect of human rights. Thank you.